Welcome, guys. This is KOK Party Favors. We're back to this home gift, guys. So we started on this home themed gift, and I kind of got a design block, but I decided in the end to keep it simple. So as you can see, we have the Home Sweet Home basket. We have a salt and pepper shaker. We have our coasters. We have our black little throw blanket there rolled up. We have our serving tray, our wood serving spoons. We have a little sprig with a little red rose there. I have the photo collage in the back, a nice Home Sweet Home sign. And I have this bead decor that says blessed. So this is going to be our all occasion gift. Now, if you want to take this gift to more of a holiday theme, which is what I'm doing this month, Christmas in July, it's this simple to change it out. We're going to take this bead decor. We're going to replace it with this Noel sign here. Then we're going to take this Home Sweet Home sign. We're going to replace it with this red metal sign that says Happy Holidays. I have a little bell on it as well. So we're going to take our tray down just a little bit and bring our sign up. So that is the holiday setup as well, guys. And of course, with gifts like this, you can add or take out anything that you want. But just replacing those two items took it more to a holiday theme. I really enjoyed designing it, even though it took me a while. But I really appreciate you guys' comments and suggestions. All right, guys, please like, share, comment, and subscribe.